So guys, I'm here now at Rehab Med, of course, with Dr. White. And guys, hindi ko na kaya talaga yung frozen shoulder ko. So I have to consult with him na and we're doing my treatment.
Okay, so we want to show you first trying to see a normal tendon there. So normal tendons are usually colored white and it's bright. You can see here, in yung hair, then you have swelling on top of the tendon.
That's the swelling.
So that's a swelling, it's coming from the hair. Area name is a tear, this is a reflection of the tear. The swelling is a consequence of the hair. In the right side, there are small tears here. So there's swelling here, we have tiny hairs naman on this side.
I did actually my PRP treatment and let's see in the next few weeks. So, okay. So, Doc, okay, dapat gumaling ako, ha?
Yes, I'm checking. After 2 weeks.
After 2 weeks. Let's see, it's been a year already and it's like affecting my life already. Sobrang hindi ko na ma-lift yung arms ko. Like today, hindi ko ma-lift yung arms ko. Let's see, ha? In the next few days, sana ma-lift ko na and mawala na yung pain. So, Doc, thank you so much.
Thank you. No cheating on the diet, ha? No
Yung
cheating.
diet, yun ang hindi ko kaya. So, Doc, thank you so much.
Thank you. And see you in
And I'll
2
see
weeks.
you in 2 weeks. Okay, see you in 2 weeks. I'll be back here. Rehab Med. Disclaimer, the sole purpose of this video is purely for entertainment. Of course, no bashing. It's for fun. Of course.
Why?
Ang sakit! Shucks, oh my gosh.
Binigla mo siguro po. Ma'am, sabi niyo po, sunduin kita ng 8 o'clock po.
Yeah, not kasi magbablog tayo.
Kaya mo ba?
Oh my God, guys. Nabigla yung frozen shoulder ko. Because we plan to vlog today, guys. But it's so painful. Oh my gosh. I'm so pawis, my God.
Ano po, ma'am, tuloy po yung vlog natin po.
Yeah, we'll try to do a vlog today, lot. I'm just waiting na mag-subside yung pain. Na-turn ko. So guys, you know, I've been having this frozen shoulder for a year already and my God, it's unbearable na. So I had my PRP, that's why it's like this. And it's really painful because it's swollen inside. And my gosh, na-turn ako, nabigla ako guys. Oh, sakit. So guys, so today, I just plan to like do something here at home, mag-cook for the boys, pero my gosh, ang sakit. I cannot even lift my arms. So Lot, okay, later, you come back na, and then, let's try to do something, ha?
Okay po, ma'am.
Magre-rest muna ako. Oh my God, ang painful. So guys, back to sleep muna ako. Later na, ha? And isa-shower daw ako ni Sir.
Okay.
Hindi, I cannot even reach my hair. Sobrang pawis ko. Grabe, ang sakit. Oh my God. So, lot later na lang come back.
Opo.
I'm awake na and my gosh, it's still painful. But I have to wash my face na. Still so painful. Oh my gosh. Ang sakit. Oh my gosh. It's so painful. Okay, wash pa. Oh gosh, it's so masakit na. Baby, it's so painful.
Dang, ano dulutuin nyo ni ma'am mamayang gabi?
Meron akong nilabas na soup. May meat ako dyan, tapos merong chicken. Tawagan mo muna si ma'am kung ano yung gusto niya. Tanong mo muna lang.
Sige, hawakan natin.
Hello, Inday.
Hello po, ma'am.
Inday, ano ba yung cook natin? Ano pwedeng iluto dyan?
Gusto niyo po ba soup, ma'am? Or meat? Meron akong chicken.
Chicken, okay.
Chicken breast po.
Gusto ko ng grilled chicken kasi alam mo naman, Inday, lahat dito, nagda-diet na ako lang ang hindi.
Opo.
So, ano pwede grilled chicken with lemon, tsaka yung pero maglagay ka ng herbs, no?
Sige po, ma'am. Pwede po. Kukuha po ako sa rooftop.
Leave it to me. Ako na lang ang mag-harvest sa roof deck, ha? So, ikaw mag-talk na na. Ito mo na ngayon, ha?
Sige po, ma'am. Sige po.
Ito ng ribeye. Ano pa meron?
Ay.
Pero kailangan in that week lang kasi late na. It's already kailangan mabilis lang.
Sige po, ma'am. Merong red eye po na manipis lang po.
Okay, sige. Okay, ako na magka-harvest sa roof deck ng lemon. Ano pa, mga herbs?
Herbs po, merong rosemary doon po, ma'am. Thyme.
Tangay, okay, fine, okay.
Tapos yung ano po,
Kalamansi, kailangan yung kalamansi.
ay kalamansi, lemon pa po. Lemon po.
Sige. Okay, sige. Kami na mag-harvest, ha? Magkasikaso ka na dyan sa kitchen. Kakain na kami in, 1.5 to 2 hours, ha? Nababa na ako, ha?
Sige po, ma'am. Sige po.
Okay. Pagpagyan mo sila Marlene at saka si Pep. Kunin sa mga nila akong magpikas, ha?
Sige po, ma'am. Sige po.
Okay, bye.
Guys, sobrang sakit talaga ng frozen shoulder ko. Guys, hindi talaga ako makakilos. Hindi ito OA, guys. Kasi talagang injection. So, guys, nandito lang ako sa house. And okay, magluluto na lang kami ni Inday. O, ito, ang daming lemons. Lot, marami ba? Nasaan yung mga lemons na iha-harvest?
Ayun po, ma'am.
Para daw sa roast chicken? Saan ko gagamitin to?
Sa roast chicken daw po, ma'am.
Roast chicken ba ikukuk natin? Akala ko sinigang daw. Saan kami mag-harvest? So, okay, ano daw ba ang kailangan natin i-harvest?
Kalamansi po, ma'am, at lemon.
Sino nagsabi?
Ate Inday po.
Guys, I'm so baldado now. I cannot even lift my arms. Wow, ang dami palang kalamansi dito.
Araw-araw po kaming kumukuha dito, ma'am.
Every day?
Yes po.
So okay. Okay, ito meron pang here, meron pang variegated kalamansi. Ito. Get mo na to, Meron pang variegated kalamansi. Oh, guys, look, may mga stripes. Look. Ito, okay na to. Lahat to.
Ma'am, ako yun, ma'am.
Ay, sorry, tinatamaan yung cameraman. Okay, sa lemon na tayo. Let's go. Okay na to, enough na to. Okay, let's go na sa lemons. Ano pa? Para saan ba to? Ano bang lulutuin?
Ma'am, nandun, no? Marami pa pong kalamansi.
Ay, teka, wait. Dalandan yan, di ba? Oh my gosh. Oh, wow, this is dalandan. Let's try. Oh my gosh, this is so ugly. Guys, ang ugly, oh. Oh my God, what's this? So ugly.
Ma'am, kala ko ba namimitas kayo?
Lot, kausap ko lang si Dear at saka si Nicola. Tapos, what happened? Nakikipagtsikahan ako. O kayo, bilisan nyo ha. O lemons pa. Yung lemons, tapos na. So dear, okay. Oh my gosh, it's so gulo na. Dear, wait, okay? Okay, let's talk later kasi nagbo-vlog ako and okay, mag-harvest ba ako ng lemon ha? So bye girl, bye dear. Okay, talk to you later. O, patingin nga. Wow, ang dami. So ayan guys, na-harvest namin. So let's go na. Kailangan pa ng lemons?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's go sa lemons. Okay, so here na tayo. Mga lemons, okay. So ito i-cut na. So okay, cut niyan. And tomorrow yung mga lemons everyday magjujuice ako. Oh my God, Pen, anong klaseng scissor yan? Nasaan yung scissor kong maliit? Where's the scissor? Oh my God. Teka, wag. Kunin mo na yung scissor. Teka, yung scissor, kunin mo, nandun.
Ito yan, oh.
Wag na.
Grabe po.
Get nyo yung lemons and then tomorrow i-juice nyo rin ha. Oh my gosh, ang daming lemons. Okay, saan pa? O yan pa. Okay, a lot pa ba? Let's go na. Okay, enough na yan. Enough na yan sa isang chicken, no? So let's go. Guys, you'll go down na. Kasi Intay is waiting for us na. Kasi mamarinate daw niya ang chicken or what? Guys, ano ba yung lulutuin? Sandali, di ba grilled chicken? This, ano to?
Di po yan, ma'am.
Lime ba yan, ma'am?
Lime? Nasaan yung parsley natin?
Dito po.
Oh my gosh, hindi niyo sinasabi. Rosemary for the We need pala guys, rosemary for my grilled chicken kasi nagda-diet ako. So, very simple lang ang cooking namin. Oh my gosh, ang daming herbs. So, okay, nasan yung parsley?
Dito po, ma'am.
Oh my God. Okay, what's this? Oh, ito parsley and tarragon. We need tarragon. Is this tarragon? Para sa tea ko, guys. Wow. Oh my gosh, tarragon for my tea. Oh, ikaw na Pen, mag-continue. Okay, get more tarragon and okay, yung parsley.
Yep.
O yung basil, kuha kayo. Ito for my tea later. Oh my gosh, it's so bango. So, okay, I'm getting tarragon for my tea later. Hot water. So, Pen, add mo pa. Baka gusto ng kids. Wow, dito basil. Kailangan natin ng basil.
Yes, ma'am.
Para saan? Wala
Chicken.
tayong basil chicken. Baka hindi, sa pizza lang yan. Oh, ang dami ka. Oh my gosh, ang dami pang kalamansi here. So ito, ano to, rosemary?
Opo, ma'am.
Ito, we need this. Oh my gosh, ang bango. Okay, this one is for the steak. Oh my God, it's so mabango. Okay, go. So, okay, we're using rosemary. Okay, we don't need basil. We have tarragon for my tea. And what's this? Oh my gosh, Ben! Ano ka? Oh my gosh, Ben! What are you doing there? Oh my gosh, okay. I cannot pass. You know, guys, ayan no, ina-harvest namin. So, let's go! Inday is waiting for us. Oh my gosh, ayun pa, ang daming lemons. Ito pala. No, tingnan mo nga, look mo nga kung ano na, if it's ready for harvest na.
Pwede na to, ma'am.
Sige nga, touch mo. Malambot?
Opo.
Wow, ang dami niyan.
Malambot, ma'am.
So, okay, get nyo na yan and tomorrow magjujuice ako. So, okay, guys, let's go na because Inday is waiting for us. Si Tim, sa hungry na. Tim daw will eat early, so let's go, guys. We'll cook na downstairs.
Hello guys, ito yung gagamitin ni ma'am sa kanyang niluto. Yan. Tsaka yung seating niya guys, super ganda, diba? May kachuki. Ay, ma'am.
Ready na ba?
Opo ma'am, hindi na po.
Ready na? Oh my gosh! Bakit tenderloin? Dapat yung rib eye. Nasaan ba na? Inday! Inday, halika na dito. Oh my gosh, pawis na ako. And Pen, kuhanan mo ko ng pang ponytail. Inday! Inday! Bakit tenderloin? Dapat rib eye.
Ay, akala ko po ma'am, kahit ano na lang na steak po eh.
Hindi pwedeng tenderloin. Dapat rib eye.
Palitan natin, meron doon na manipis
Hindi
lang.
kaya kasi naka-frozen pa.
Kaya po yun ma'am,
O
manipis
sige,
lang.
bilisan mo. Go, go.
Parang tubig
Ay, sandali. Okay, guys, sobra na akong stress kasi yung mga kids, nagra-rush kasi they have, gimmick. So, kailangan daw, they wanna eat early. And then, may lakad pa sila, yung mga boys. So, nasa na si Inday?
Nagpatumam ng ano po.
Nako, wag niyo i-microwave, ba?
Hindi po ma'am.
Kailangan normal towing. Kaya pa ba? Wala nang time.
Kaya po yun ma'am kasi manipis lang po yun.
Ay, bakit manipis? Dapat yung 3/4.
Dalawa na po yun ma'am.
Oh my gosh, yung nandiyan na si Tim. Parang, Tim is there.
Dan, bilisan mo Dan kasi ayaw ni ma'am yung tenderloin daw yun.
Ito ba?
Yan, gusto niya yan. Yan yung gusto niya Dan, prime rib.
Rib eye. Ay. Sa Santis to, no?
Oh, yan na nga, bilisan mo Dan. Yan, ibabad mo na kasi bababa na yun mamaya.
Balot lang natin plastic.
Tapos ilagay mo sa click pan. Pag kasi yung tenderloin din kinuha mo Dan. Ayaw niya yun eh. Ilagay mo na. Ilagay mo sa click pan Dan. Ayaw na pa naman yung ginato. Gusto niya yung...
Ito na. Bilis lang yan.
Dan, ito yung mga gamitin ni ma'am mo. Ito yung tarragon para sa tea ni ma'am. Tapos ito naman yung...
Rosemary to. Ito yung tarragon, no?
Saan? Yan.
Ito.
Yan yung pang-tea niya mamaya. Ito yung rosemary. Ito para daw sa may chicken daw niya.
Ay, hindi. Sa steak niya yan.
Ay, stick ba? Tapos ito yung kalamansi para daw sa chicken.
Hindi. Lemon yun.
Ay, limon ba yun? Yan, mali-mali. Yan na yan. Dan, ihanda mo na Dan kasi mamaya bababa na
Oh,
yun.
ito na. Ito na.
Hindi ko kaya, okay? I cannot. Dapat yun. Guys, look naman, it's so hard. 1 week na akong like this. I cannot raise my hand. Ang sakit. Ouch. Sakit. Guys, ang sakit ng arms ko. I went to rehab net kay Doc Mark. Alam mo ano yung tsura ko? Guys, it's so painful. Grabe, ang sakit. Kasi it's it's inflamed inside and I have to heal for like a week. So guys, I cannot even raise my arm. I cannot even shower. So si Philip ang nag-shower sa akin. So okay, nakita niyo yung magandang body ko. Na-sexyhan si Phil. So okay, nasa na si Inday! Okay ba yung hair?
Ako.
Hindi. Ayan. Guys, it's not OA. Hindi ito exagerada. Pero really, it's so painful pala pag may frozen shoulder. Kasi guys, it's been 8 months to a year already. So, ayan. Nagpapakonsult ako sa rehab med. And I'm done with my PRP. And guys, left and right, ang daming injection. So guys, eto, I'm just home. Magkukuking ako today. And nasa na si Inday? Inday, ano na? Ang tagal. So, anong gagawin natin dyan sa tenderloin? Lulukutin ko. Oh my gosh. Sige na, Inday, let's go. Cooking na tayo. Teka, pwede ba yung griller? O, ayan. Marlene, kailangan maraming fan. Ilan yung fan mo?
3 po.
Ay, bakit 3 lang? Dapat 5. Kasi wala tayong aircon. Ang init-init, mag-grill. So, lalagay siyempre si griller. Ano naman si James Griller? Ano ka namang sa stove? Tapos, okay. Wow, it's so nice. Ang daming bougainville niya. And guys, of course, may lettuce ako. Lettuce. Ay, no, not lettuce. Lettuce. Lettuce pala is for summer. Tanggal na natin, mag-grill. Guys, nag-change yung mind ko. Instead na magpa-fried, ba mas healthy yung griller? So, griller na, okay? Okay, Pen, tell Marlene nga. Pakisabi kay Marlene penging iced tea. Kasi I'm so busy cooking, ha? Okay na, i-grill na lang natin. James, Francis, kayo na mag-grill, ha? Teka, wait, ilagay na natin yung ano, yung seasoning and yung ano, yung mga herbs.
Timpla ko na, ma'am.
Ah, of course.
Tama, ikaw
Ay,
magtimpla.
akala mo ako magtitimpla? Alam mo, Inday, look na nga. Look at my arms. I cannot even raise. Guys, parang 1 inch lang pwede. Naka-Pinoy liver lang ako, guys. Thank you. Sobrang sweet. Kailangan may water. So, Inday, okay, I'll help you now with the mixing of everything. Teka, mag-eat ba si PJ? Ay, nag-golf? May tawagan mo? Tanong mo kung magdi-dinner siya dito. Inday, mali ka na. Kami ni Inday, mag-mix na. Wait. Oh, wow! Nato!
Ito na po.
Wow! Okay, sige. Okay, what do we do here?
Ipunasan muna, ma'am, ng tissue, ma'am, para medyo mag-ano.
Why, nako! Baka
Para
frozen pa
matanggal
to.
yung, Ano?
Baka frozen pa to, Inday. Is it correct? Niwa-wipe ko ng paper towel. Sige, Inday, what do I do? This one.
Una muna natin po.
Where's the salt? Wala tayong salt.
Ito po.
Salt. Okay.
Kaya po,
Inday,
ma'am.
hindi ko kaya. Okay. How long natin marinate?
Kasi
I like
manipis lang
more
naman po.
soap for me. Oh, the other side.
Opo, ma'am. Lagyan muna natin ng paminta.
I-wash na. Nasaan na yung rosemary ko? Ay, yung rosemary later pa?
Opo.
Tapos, okay, I eat my grilled chicken with lemon. So, talagang madaming lemon pag nag-grilled chicken ako. Then yung bougainvillea mo, ang daming flowers. Very good ka. Dahil sobrang kapal ng bougainvillea mo, may bonus ka na naman. Ang ganda ng bougainvillea niya. You know, Inday, medyo hindi ka daw okay today.
Ay, ngayon po.
Kasi may period ka. May headache daw.
Yung sabi po.
Sinday mo, masakit ang ulo ni Inday.
Sinday, nagsabi po.
Ay, sabi ni Losbot, masakit ang ulo ni Inday kasi may period.
Hindi, okay lang naman po, ma'am.
Teka, kala ko ibabaliktad.
Nabaliktad na po.
Ay, nabaliktad
May,
na po?
may salt na yan po, chicken.
Sa ilalim. So, nabaliktad na. Bakit hindi ko nakita?
Hindi po kasi ako makasingit po.
Alam mo, Inday. Alam mo, Inday, yung dinasabi ng boatman sa El Nido. Hindi siya makasingit sa amin ni Ma'am Karen kasi daw, ang hirap sumingit. O, paano to? Okay, of course, kailangan. Pangide, ha?
Wait lang po, ma'am. Sarado ko po.
Ay, agad mo yun. Hindi ko alam na bago. Ganyan?
Oo, tama na po.
Okay.
Pwede natin yan.
Or other side.
Lagay na lang natin po yung ito.
So, okay. At this one?
Opo.
Okay. Na-wash na yan. So, paano mo i-grill kung may ganito?
Hindi. Medyo ano lang yung amoy na.
Okay.
Tama na yan. Ay, pwede naman po.
So, i-ganyan mo. Okay. So, marinade. So, okay. Yung chicken naman. Isang grilled chicken lang. Okay. So, okay, penging plate. Okay, one na lang kasi si Tim lang mag-i-eat and Michael is not here. So, okay, what do we do here?
Saan yung natin? Ayun ka na, yung ginawa niyang patungan na.
Can you give us the seasoning and the Spanish paprika?
Tago mo yung branch, ha?
Okay, go.
Tago mo yung branch.
Tago na yung brunch.
Yung isa.
Isa pa, give it to us.
Lalagay mo natin yung asin mo.
So, like that. Hello, PJ. Are you eating dinner here?
Are you?
Yeah, we're cooking here. Are you?
Oh, okay, sige. Yeah.
Okay, where are you?
I'm almost home. I'll go for a quick jog.
Oh, quick Jack. Okay, eat with us, ha? Okay, there's steak.
Yeah.
You like steak?
Okay, yeah.
Okay. Bye. Chicken.
Hello?
Tim, are you eating here?
What did you cook?
I cook ribeye. Ribeye ba? Opo, ma'am. And grilled chicken for your diet.
Just eat.
Ribeye, o sige. Okay, ribeye. Cola. Okay, bye. Oh my gosh, kulang tayo ng ribeye. Okay, yung tenderloin, ano mo na, kasi si Daddy, PJ, and Tim, and mine is the grilled chicken. So, okay, I think you have to do one, we'll cook one tenderloin. Okay, ay, bite? Nakalimutan ko na bang mag-bite, Tim? So, okay, yan. Sige. Anong
Magpiga na kayo.
ng lemon. So, okay, teka, wash. No, iwa-wash pa yan. Ito, sige. Okay, inday. Alam nga naman ako pa mag-slice. Hindi na nga ako makasubo eh. Kasi si Phil ang magsusubo sa akin. Si Phil. Ayan, ito. Oh my gosh. And after, wow! Guys, ang katas ng lemons namin. Oh my gosh. Later, I'll use the other half while eating. I'm so into lemon, so this is mine. Ooh, grabe, I'm so proud of our lemons. It's so juicy. Ay, ang lakas ko sa lemon. Yung iba masisya kasi.
Magpiga.
Kahit sobrang painful, talagang pinipress ko kasi favorite ko to. Oh my gosh, ba't ang lakas ko na, oh? Okay, mamaya pagdating ni Phil, hindi ako malakas. Kasi susubo-subo siya. So, okay, grill na. So, okay, we're cooking na. And of course, the boys are here. Timmy, say hi. Hello, Dad. Dad. Sakit.
Kawawa.
Sakit. I cannot move. So, subo later. Okay, subo. And PJ's here. O, sige na. Okay, magano na tayo. Okay, Kobe. Excuse me, Kobe. Surgery si Kobe, kaya to. Okay, go na, go. I know I'm so busy the whole day, di ba? I did so many things. Nag-grill. I'm so busy watching.
Medium rare lang.
Medium rare daw, medium rare.
2 minutes, 2 minutes.
2 minutes. Baka ma-shoot yan sa under 1 nilinis.
Opo, ma'am.
Papaklin mo na lang later, ha? Okay, isabay mo na yung chicken at saka yung, that one. Feel ang sakit-sakit. But I try to cook.
Wow.
So kawawa, I cannot even move and lift my arm. So, okay guys. You like mashed potato ba? Or okay na kayo? You like rice? Guys, you like rice? It's listening to me. Okay. Do you like rice?
No.
Oh, ayaw ng rice. What else do you like? Potato? Potato, mashed potato? Do you have mashed potato?
Mom, what are you gonna say if there's not?
Oh, wala na, wag na. Guys, they want mashed potato, but we don't have. We did not prepare. And then, Tim is asking, why did you even ask when you say we don't have? Tim, eat na. Get. So, okay, Dad, let it rest for 5 minutes. Yan. Oh, let it rest, pero kaagad slice. Gutom na. Dad, I cannot slice. You can subo me. So hard. Oh, so sarap na God. If I'm gonna diet, I can eat this every day.
You should do that every day.
I like chicken breast. But it's too salty kasi pinadagdag ko ng pepper and salt. It's too salty pa na. Guys, sobrang juicy ng lemons ko. Yung harvest sa taas. So, okay. Kulang our steak. So, nagpaluto pa na another 2.
Guys, siyempre si Ma'am nasasaktan si Sir PJ on the back.
Hindi ko ma-fix yung hair ko. It's so masakit.
I'll fix it for you.
Ay, nako, baka you make me
I'll fix it for you.
Oh, fix it. PJ! PJ, can you? I cannot. Okay, fix. Okay,
There.
go.
That's why you have to exercise. Mom, I don't know how to fix.
You know, I exercise. This is frozen shoulder. But
If you exercise, you won't get frozen shoulder.
are you sure? Guys, Tim said, if I exercise, I will not get frozen. Oh my God, ano ba nangyari sa hair ko?
Yeah.
If you exercise, will you get frozen shoulder? You ask. PJ?
Yes, it prevents frozen shoulder.
Has exercise?
Exercise really prevents,
Oh my gosh,
because
really?
you never exercise that, that's why frozen.
No, I exercise.
Look at Tita Karen, she's healthy.
She has frozen shoulder sometimes. I cannot. Guys, I cannot even feel.
Acting.
It's not acting, it's really masakit. I mean, I cook siya na nga eh. So, okay, finish na? Cook na? Whoa, okay. Okay, another one. So, Tim, you have to finish that. So, tomorrow, you gonna go haircut?
No.
What's your lakad?
Balisin lang.
Are you going balisin? So, okay. So, guys, I'm done eating. Pero sila, magsa-start pa ng another stage. So, anong topic? Bilis, mag-isip kayo. Mukbang to eh.
Barilan sa Senate.
Saan na si Bato?
Okay, by the way, guys, watch Tim's vlog in China. What it's all about? Kota Warriors.
Kaya pa tawayo.
Terracotta Warriors. Because you went to Shanghai and Beijing, right? Also, guys, did you enjoy dinner? Okay, masarap ba yung kinok ni mom?
Hindi na.
I did not cook it. So, okay, next vlog ko is with Auntie Alice, and Olivia. I'll bring Olivia in. Cardiac Delights, yung restaurant ng PJ and Blanca. So, PJ, okay, you have to be there when I go. Okay.
Whenever.
Ay, dapat may next branch. Dapat may next branch na kayo. So, guys, maganda yung restaurant. Cardiac Delights.
Where?
In Marikina.
Marikina only.
By the way, Allison is coming home. Ano, tinix mo na yung trip natin?
Hindi na din namin.
Diba sabi ko, fix mo na Australia?
Or office ita?
I already told you. Babe, you try my tarragon tea. You try. If it's good, and then I'll make for you every night. So, mabango na.
Sarap.
Sarap. So, okay. Schedule mo na team yung Australia.
Okay.
As Aton's, schedule.
Okay.
By the way, Aton's coming home. I'm so
Aton's
excited. Last week of May. So, Dad, do you want to rest now? Let's go out.
No.
So, let's continue with the vlog.
Bye.
Where are you going?
Kobe.
Oh, Kobe. Okay, play with
Kobe.
Kobe. So, okay, can you say bye to the vlog na? So, guys,
Not yet.
you make kwento sa vlog.
Where's Bato?
Where's Bata? Where did you go? So messy.
Finding Bato.
So, finding my ding ang bato.
Ding?
Ding. Ano?
Ding, saan ang bato?
Ding, saan ang bato?
Tapos pag nalunok mo,
Bato, where are you, please?
pag nalunok mo, dahil na.
So, okay.
Sinuswallow niya yung bato.
Yeah. Sa Darna, they swallowed the
Tapos,
bato.
Pagsisigaw siya ng Darna.
So, kakainin ni ilalagay ni Darna yung bato sa
Darna. Tapos,
mouth.
then she will be superhero na.
Lunukin niya muna, ma'am.
While yung bato na sa ano.
Oo, the whole time nakaswallow yung baton habang fighting with the enemies, no? Teka, I'll ask that to Ate V.
So,
Si Ate V ang original Darna.
so yung bato nasa pocket lang niya. Dala niya pala.
Lagi nasa pocket niya yung baton.
So, kakainin niya, magiging... Then, pag ayaw niya na maging Darna, tatanggalin
Si
niya.
swallow niya, i-spit out yung bato.
Galing.
Galing ni Darna, no?
Maging Narda.
Dala niya, yung bato.
Maging Narda po siya, sir.
Magiging Narda.
Narda. Narda.
Narda.
Darna!
Narda po siya pag hindi sa Darna.
Nag-spit out siya, Narda na.
Pag ordinaryong tao siya,
So, okay,
Narda.
Opo.
say bye to the vlog na. So, guys, let's call it a night kasi ang init, guys.
Inat!
Init! So, good night, guys.
Good night.
Teka, what time is your flight tomorrow?
4:30.
4:30. So, okay, guys, say bye to the vlog na.
Bye to the vlog.
PJ, say bye to the vlog.
I said bye. Bye. Bye.
Good night, guys. See you tomorrow
Okay.
for lunch. So, guys, that's it for my vlog. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye! Guys, ang sakit, hindi ako OA. Dad, sobrang painful. Dad, sobrang painful. Let's go up na.
Okay.
Okay, so bye, guys. Rest na kami.
Hey guys, thanks for watching my vlog. If you want to watch more videos, click here. And if you want to watch more videos, click here. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye!